Watch this, broken nose. Don't lean. Give me 2, go. Let air out your floor. Burp your floor. Paddles up high. That's silly. Hop up, team. Give me 2, team. I thought he was gonna come out. Oh, he did. Oh man, I hope my camera was on. Oh no, now I'm probably trolling him. I hope I'm not. You pull him in. We might need him later. Give me, yeah, jump in your other boat, silly. Give me 2, team. That was funny. Give me, wait, let me get my composure so I don't wreck it. Give me 2 now. Give me 1 more, team.
Yeah, I think he did when he just came out.
Yeah, he didn't fall out on purpose, but he jumped up on purpose. He almost fell out before that. I saw that one coming.
Yeah.
Give me 2. Give me 3. Go, go, go. This is for fun. And relax. Give me 2 now. Give me 2 more. We're going to try to go back up and get a little surf in. Y'all can re-aim that camera up front. Give me 2. Relax a moment. Give me 2 now. There's 1 more rock I got clear, so I wanted to re-aim. And 2. We're gonna try and get a surf. Yep. Give me 2 more. Give me 2 more. 1 more. Lean forward. Get down. Have to get out that way. Good surf, guys. That was awesome. Ready, set, go. Oh, maybe Ralph's gonna be born. Ready, set, go! It's all downhill. Big hit! And I didn't mean him, but I guess that counts too. You okay, buddy? Sorry. Thanks for the show. You guys okay? Yeah, you're in the eddy of no return. Just go with it. Don't worry. Everybody will collect you in a minute. All right, my crew, give me 2 forward on the left side. I don't want to pal the guys on the right. They'll all collect back together. Backwards 3, team. Backwards 3. Have fun, guys. Okay, forward 3. Forward 3. Give me 2 more. We're gonna cut the corner off this to be a little faster then. 2 more, 2 more. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. Give me 2, team. Give me 1.
This channel is possible because of the supporters you're now seeing. Cut, let's try again. This channel was made possible by the wonderful super fans. These are their names. These are the people supporting this channel and its associated adventures during the not winter of 2022-2023. So if you want to join the list and make this happen, look at the URL. Come rafting with me. Those of you that make substantial donations, such as Ben Franklin's or Tecumseh Grants, will be listed right here. I really do appreciate you, and I appreciate you other viewers too, and Google Ads, because that buys the cameras and the other electronics necessary to make this channel happen. Love you much. Peace out till next time.